Today we will tell you how to make children's education videos, from a BCD to small pomegranate. 2 big mango.
It takes a lot of time to make them,
but we will tell you a method that you will be surprised to know that how can it be made so fast and so easily. So, friends, for this we will use 2 tools. One is But and the other is Canva. Friends, you must watch this video from beginning to end.
We'll get complete information.
Let's go to GLS and we right here bird. We will use bird to write the content, and using the same, we will create a children's education video from Canva in 1 second. For Applebee for boy, we will prepare this type of video in a second and show it to you today. So, we click on this Google too. We click on it. See, this is our Google.a. So first login. This is our already login. So see this. It will open completely at this. Look, in this way it will open in front of you. So this search icon is visible here. Here, we will give it a promotion, that is the order that what we have to do. Whatever we tell it, it will do it. So, we will do it. It is said that write us the alphabet with emoji, then we write. Alphabet. Name. With emoji and exam moment in the table. This time we have given this order to it. Now see what it does this time. Friends, this is very technologically advanced. Friends, as soon as we get it written, we will tell you how to make it in a second. See, this time it has been written very well. We'll use it only in making our alphabet video. What will we do first? This is the whole thing. We select it. We select the entire part. We select it. So, we will select the entire part like this. Select this. See, we have done it. We have selected it. We will copy it. We will copy it. And then we go to Canva. Friends, if you do not have Canva, then you can log into Canva and come here to the video section and click. As soon as we click on the video section, this one will take us to a new window. Well, friends, the best thing is that if you do not have time or it will take time to make it now, then you can use the bundle prepared by us, which you are seeing. We have prepared a similar bundle for you and given it for children's
bundle
education.
Of video,
ABCCD and children's rhyme bundle and 3000. Cartoon background bundle, which you can use anytime and anywhere. The download link of which is in the description. You must check it out once. Check. So now we'll make a very beautiful video here. By copying what we have written on the wall, come to the video section here in Canva, and now we will create a cute background here. For this we will go to Element, and here we'll search cartoon background. See, this cartoon background has come, and we take any cute background and we set it in set background, then for its beauty so that we like it, we put sun in it. Sun. Search here and put it in the filter. Animated. See this here, when you select the animated one, only animated sun will appear here. See this? So, we click on it and put it in our beautiful background. See, this is done here. See this, and now we write here. Tree. We will also put it in the background here. Friends, you make whatever background. It will be as good. It will be good to see too, and we We'll tell you how to make the rest of the video in a second. Now just by clicking, the video will be made. See this. We have planted a tree. We have planted a. See this. We have planted a beautiful tree. See this. Now you can see it. You can understand and decorate. Currently we are teaching you to make a video in bulk in a click. So that now we write some words here and then go to the text and by clicking on it we animate it so that we can see the thing. If I like it very much, we go to this and put an animation below so that it looks very beautiful to us. We put this wiggle option so that it appears to be hanging here and there. Then we have three options there. We'll copy this 3 times so that we have 3 options. Look, click once more and see 3 options have appeared. Now, look carefully from here. From here your work starts. To create a video in a second, we will find the option of bulk here. See this in bulk creation in Canva. Friends, option of bulk creation you will get only in the Pro version, but even if you do not have the Pro version, do watch this video because someday or the other will be useful to you and the information is very important. So let us go to the Pro version of bulk creation. Here enter the data manually, click on it and see this page will open and whatever we have copied there, we delete it and whatever we have copied, we paste it here. See how much has been pasted, beautiful. As soon as we pasted it and now let's make it done. See it's done here. See all the 3 options coming up. See 3 numbers are visible. 1, 2, 3. Still options are blue but the third one is. Like the first heading is selected and here we have to click on the 3 dot. Like if we click on the 3 dot, the connect data will come here. As soon as we click on the connect data, we will see that the letter has arrived. Friends, click on the letter. Here a blue colored option will be created. Select it correctly. A blue colored icon will be created. This will let you know that our icons are being selected correctly. Then we can select others in the same way. This is how you can connect it. See, all our things are connected. See, it is connected. Now we just have to do 1 click and our video is ready. See, we continue. See, we have 26, the design is there and see this. We will just click on generate and see generation has started. And now it will give us the video in 1 second. Friends, see this. Our entire video will be ready in just 1 second. See how easy it is. Pro creation in bulk of Canva from version to version. Friends, called bulk creation, that is. We can create a lot of videos at once. But friends, if you do not have the Pro version of Canva, then we have created a lot of children's education videos for you. Bundle a BCD small to pomegranate big mango and children's poem wooden saddle saddle pea horse fish water queen. I have prepared a bundle of such poems, the link of which will be found in the description, and there will be no copyright etc. You will only download it. Friends, if you did not understand the first time, then watch the video for the second time. It is better that we have explained it to you so easily that you will understand in the very first time. That in this way you can make anything. Now let us download this video. And
in a world where digital innovation is king, how can you stand out from the crowd and create products that truly make an impact? Introducing 1000 digital products ideas to create and sell today.